Hello, my name is Adele. I'm the cook here at the Cafeteria in Mineville. I want to tell you a little bit about how we're doing things because it's a little bit different than it has been in the past. We're still serving hot meals similar to what we have done. We've added a snack bag option for breakfast and lunch for those students who may not want a full meal. Snack bag options and meals are available to all special ed and all CV-TEC students. So the students, they order their meal on the computer and it's delivered directly to their classroom. And everybody's working really hard and it's going really great. If you need to reach me for any reason or have any questions, you can call me at 518-561-0100, extension 122, or you can email me at huchro_adele@cves.org.